nearly 2 decades after the European Union and India signed their strategic partnership in 2004, the first tangible results are finally starting to emerge on the global stage. European Union Foreign Policy Chief Kaja Kallas and Indian External Affairs Minister Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar launched the first EU-India strategic dialogue on Tuesday, 10th June 2025 in Brussels, aimed at strengthening and deepening European Union-India security and defence cooperation. The dialogue signals a united front in tackling emerging threats such as cyberattacks and foreign interference, while also opening the door to enhanced defence cooperation, greater exchange of expertise, and the pursuit of joint initiatives, Kallas told a press conference. At the press meet, Jaishankar hailed the discussions on deepening cooperation in defense, maritime security, counterterrorism, cyber and AI, space and defense between the two sides. The dialogue builds upon previous initiatives, such as the India-European Union Trade and Technology Council, established in February 2023. The Council has facilitated cooperation in areas including artificial intelligence, semiconductors, and green technologies, reflecting the growing convergence of interests between the two sides. Brussels and New Delhi agreed to establish a comprehensive dialogue on space, with a first session expected to be convened in the final quarter of 2025. In a major step towards enhancing maritime security cooperation, India and the EU held joint a naval exercise in the Indian Ocean last week, seen as shared commitment to uphold international law at sea. Kallas stressed the EU's support for continued talks between India and Pakistan to ease regional tensions, saying, quote, "No one stands to gain from renewed conflicts in the region," end quote. The strategic dialogue reaffirmed the strong commitment to a rules-based international order, global peace, stability and prosperity. On counterterrorism, Kallas and Jaishankar underlined the importance of continued cooperation and announced plans to convene a dedicated counterterrorism dialogue later this year. On the economic front, EU and India reiterated their commitment to conclude the free trade agreement by the end of 2025. The European Union and India signed their strategic partnership at their fifth summit on 9th November 2004 in The Hague under the Dutch European Union presidency. Meanwhile, Jaishankar also met the President of the European Commission Ursula von der Leyen and held separate meetings with a number of European Union commissioners as well as the President and members of the European Parliament. The Indian External Affairs Minister was received by King Philippe of Belgium and also held talks with Belgian Prime Minister Bart De Wever to boost Belgian-India trade, economic and political ties. Dr. Jaishankar also interacted with members of the Indian community in Belgium and with things and the media during his 3-day stay in Belgium.